My name is Prasna. I'm studying 5th class in Baby School at Valpalam of Sanyam.
Opposites. Straight.
Bent.
Headmaster.
Headmistress.
Reach.
Depart.
Together.
Alone.
Good.
Bad.
Pat.
Bump.
Assemble.
Disperse.
Discuss.
Ignore.
Reside.
Move.
Different.
Easy.
Different.
Narrow.
Different.
Same.
Neighbor. Neighbor.
Sit. Distant.
Able.
Unable.
Right.
Wrong.
Childhood.
Adulthood.
Grow.
Shrink.
Found.
Lost.
Like.
Dislike.
Sunrise.
Sunset.
Possible.
Impossible.
Insist.
Given up.
Everyone.
None.
Friend. Friend.
Enemy.
Learn.
Teach.
Today.
Tomorrow.
Special.
Ordinary.
She.
He.
Excited.
Depressed.
After.
Before.
Later.
Earlier.
Contribute.
Discontribute.
Contribute. Subtract.
Subtract.
All.
None.
Happy.
Unhappy.
Thank.
Sorry.
Ready.
Unready.
Ask.
Answer.
Never. Never.
Earlier.
Ever. Even.
Uneven.
Done.
Dusk.
Out. Out.
In.
Newly.
Patiently.
Paved.
Unpaved.
Welcome.
Farewell.
Going.
Coming.
First.
Last.
Came.
Come.
Came.
Went.
Astonished.
Depressed.
Astonished.
Moved.
Astonished.
Bored.
Skill.
Inability.
Good.